So today I'm going to show you how to redeem your MoneyLion rewards. Now we're actually here on our MoneyLion account. On the homepage on our left-hand side, you can see right over here the MoneyLion icon. And what we want to do is kind of go all the way to the right-hand side over here where you see that little present icon. We're going to click on this. And that's going to take us to our rewards section over here. You can see our rewards. We have $115. Now, if you go ahead and go down towards the middle of the screen, you're going to see an earn, redeem, and history tab. If you click on redeem, that's going to take us to this section to go ahead and enter the cash back. You can only do 100 at a time, but you could do multiple transactions if you would like. So we're going to go ahead and do 100 right over here, and it's going to be sent to our Roar Money bank account right over here for us, which then, of course, we can withdraw into our other bank accounts if we would like. And then what you're going to do is click anywhere on screen to go ahead and take away the keyboard. And then down here towards the bottom in that teal, you're going to see where it says redeem now. We're going to click on this, and then it's going to see right over here, we got $100 cash back. We can click on view my rewards if we would like. And then we see that into our Roar Money balance. Now, if you'd like to learn how to withdraw your money from your MoneyLion account, check out our next video right over here on screen to learn how to do that step by step.